Let's be honest, nobody really likes dealing with pests at home. They show up quietly, in the kitchen, behind the fridge, even in hidden corners. And once they're there, it can feel really frustrating to get rid of them. But today, I want to share a simple home method that a lot of people overlook. No expensive chemicals, no complicated tools, just everyday things you already have at home. Start with a small container or bowl. Add 2 tablespoons of laundry detergent. You can use any regular one from home, nothing special needed. Next, add 2 tablespoons of sugar. This is what helps attract pests into the mixture. Mix it gently. At this stage, it might look a little grainy, but that's totally fine. Now add a small amount of toothpaste. Any regular toothpaste works just fine. Mix everything slowly and carefully until it turns into a thick, smooth paste. This step is important, so take your time here. Next, take a piece of soft bread. Make sure it's not dry or hard. Fresh bread works best. Spread the mixture evenly on top. Make sure it covers the surface properly. Now comes the most important part, placement. Put this in areas where pests usually hide, like corners, behind appliances, inside cabinets, or along walls. Here's the idea behind it. The sugar helps attract them, and the mixture works once it's consumed. It's a simple home method that people use for basic pest control. If you try this, make sure to keep it away from children and pets. And if the problem is bigger, you can prepare more and place it in multiple spots. And that's it. A simple home method that many people don't really know about. If you want more simple home tips like this, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to Easy Genius DIY, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next one. And tell me, would you try this or not?